Okay, welcome everybody to the tech tip for February. My name is Andres Munoz. I work for EODA, and I'm here joined with my colleague Miguel Urrutia.
Hi there.
And today we're going to show you some tech tips around Windows laptops. So we know a lot of us working at Cal Poly currently have loaner laptops from IT, and so pretty much every loaner laptop that you'll receive will have these tools available to you. And basically, they're just to make remote work a little bit easier on you. So the first tool I'm going to show you is Focus Assist. And Focus Assist is located on the bottom right corner of your screen by this little messenger app. So you click on that. And then Focus Assist is this button here, all the way on the bottom in the middle. And so what Focus Assist does is that it will not notify you of messages or notifications that come through. So for example, if you're in an important meeting and you don't want to be bothered because you know you're going to be giving a presentation, Focus Assist can help kind of filtering out those notifications. So if you click it once, you'll see it says priority only. So when this option on, only if you received an email that is urgent, that was categorized as urgent, you'll still get that notification. But pretty much any other notification you won't receive unless it's also Microsoft Teams notification. So pretty much any Microsoft Teams notification you get, Focus Assist doesn't really have any control over that. You'll always get your Microsoft Teams notifications. And then if you click it again, you'll see it says alarms only. So in this, if you have it set to alarms only, no email notifications will show up, as well as any notifications from any apps you have on your computer or on your web browser. So basically alarms only, just if you have an alarm set on your laptop, the alarm will go off, but any other notification will be blocked, except of course for Microsoft Teams. And so the second tool I wanted to show you was Nightlight. And so Nightlight is basically, it reduces the strain on your eyes. So as we're working all day with these laptops, we have the blue light coming into our eyes and could harm our eyes. So what Nightlight does is it dims the lighting. So this is good if you're working late in the evening or late in the day, and it's just as you're gonna fall asleep. You can turn on Nightlight, it'll dim the light and make it easier on your eyes. So that's a cool little feature because I know we're sitting on our computers all day. And now I'm gonna hand it over to Miguel, and he's gonna show you he's gonna show you a tool having to do with the search bar.
Thank you, Andres. And now I'll present two other features you could do within Windows 10 that could improve your productivity. One of them is the taskbar. A lot of us have a lot of different applications on our taskbar, be it a web browser, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Excel, and some of us like to save a lot of applications for quicker access and shortcuts. And sometimes these could get filled. And right now, currently, we have this thing called the search bar. A lot of us use it, a lot of us people don't use it as much. But the cool thing is you can actually minimize this to create even more space for your taskbar. So what you want to do is right click, and then you would want to go to the search, and there's a section where it says show search icon. And in that section, you want to just click on it to make it smaller. Now, the second feature I want to mention is it's called the task view button. Say if you want to work on different desktops or different full screen applications, and you want to switch back and forth, you could do that. And in order to enable that, you want to go back into your taskbar, right click on it, and select show task view button. Once we have that selected, you can click on this icon, it says task view. When you hover over it, you click it, and on top there's an option where it says new desktop, and that's where you can add multiple desktops on your desktop windows. That way you could shift through them. And we're going to just select new desktop, and now we have a new desktop on the side. Let's go and jump on desktop 2, and let's open up Microsoft Edge. Like for some of us, we like to do for example, like presentations. You want to copy photos and paste them into like a Word document or a PowerPoint slide. You could work seamlessly hand in hand with both applications. Now, say you want to switch to the next desktop, there's two ways of doing this. You could click on the task view button, located on the taskbar, and click on desktop 1. And then now you have two windows open, two full applications. while holding Control and Windows key, you're going to use the right arrow to go to the right to the second desktop, and the left arrow key to go back to the first one. And if you add more desktops to it, then when you click the arrow key to the right, you'll be able to get to the section. So now we go left again. So there's desktop 1, desktop 2, and desktop 3. So that's today's tech tip, and hopefully we see you on the next one.
Bye, everyone.